Hey kids, lots of cool stuff on this episode of Gaijin TV, so check this out though!
Mike's Fantasy 409. These are the grounds of the Gaijin TV studios. Oh, beautiful. The fall colors are coming in. Try and make this quick. This is the staircase of death. No railings, out of stone. Beautiful view right up to Rokko-san. And there's my perch as the king of Gaijin Taria. There we are. Welcome back to Gaijin TV. Or maybe we're closing. Thanks for watching Gaijin TV. Like, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And the king is in his repose on the great royal grounds of Gaijin TV. This is our studio. Pretty sweet, right? Oh, man. Thanks for watching, and check this out. Oh, I missed my boss. Wait for me. Oh, we got El Gato. Nice green flash of the eyes. El Gato. Neko. Neko-chan in Japanese. Sorry, can you see that? Look at those eyes. Oh my god. Thank you. Arigato. Oh my gosh. Green flash. Cool, man. Can you see him? Her? Say it. It's luminous. No, sorry. Mysterious ball, luminous max.
Luminous max.
We're getting it for pulling.
Luminous max.
Luminous max. Oh, another beautiful snack. There's the cookies. There's the cookie map. And like everything in Japan, it's going to depend on what's the season. Can you guess what the season is? Look at that. What a presentation. Oishiso. Itadakimasu. Arigatou gozaimasu. That's fast! You hearing this? Children's voice. I had a dream, a chitty chitty bang bang dream. Everybody's an open car, tons of people, and we're driving around, and there's blue skies, there's ocean, there's a farmer going by, and I sarcastically comment, "This sucks." Everybody's like laughing it up, like just being sarcastic asshole, when the words of my brother, who I love her, came back to me. Michael, just be happy you're not them. People who don't see the joy in life, fuck off, you fag. This is the introduction sequence to Sazai-san on Sunday night on Gaijin TV. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu, Sazai Sensei, I call her, because he teaches me about Japanese bunka. Look at that, you can eat on the bridge? Bet you can. Good lord. Uh-oh. Gotta keep the car running. Oh, we're under Rokko-san, right in front of Niteiko Ike, famed Niteiko Ike from the Firefly's Graveyard, the novel and Ghibli Studio classic, the Schindler's List of anime. Kyo no ii tenki. Good weather today. It's probably a copyright infraction, but just trying to show you a little bit of Japan. And Sunday night Sazai-san Theater, we don't have a TV, so gotta do it in the car a bit. Okay, here we go with the Junkin on Sunday night on Gaijin TV. Rock, paper, scissors. Ready? What do you got? Say no. Oh, God, I got beat. She cut me. Bitch cut me. Don't call her bitch, asshole.